There's nothing like a coffee date with your girls. The aroma of fresh coffee, the sound of laughter, and of course, the unspoken competition of who's serving the best look today. One friend walks in with a sleek straight wig, and you, well, today you're giving soft waves and effortless glam. But tomorrow, who knows, right? Because it's a new day, new mood, new hair. And the best part, no stress, no damage, just flawless, ready to go hair in minutes. Pop it on, style it up, step out like the main character you are. Because guess what? Wigs aren't just about looking good, they're about feeling good as well. Stepping out with confidence, turning heads, and matching your style to your vibe. So, what's it gonna be today? Slick and classy, fun and flirty, a little bit of both? Well, with the Wig Factory, you never have to choose because life is too short for just one hairstyle and for one bad coffee. Shop now at www.thewigfactory.co.za or visit us in store to find your perfect wig today.